Hi everyone, it's Kelly from KLK Endeavors, and I am here to show you what I made with the February Bargain Bead Box subscription. First of all, I made this necklace, and this is my own pendant, and I glued little pieces in it so it'd shimmer aqua turquoise. And then I made the top part with leaves sticking out, and it hooks with the lobster claw. He's pretty heavy. And then I made this one, this pendant, which a lot of people have told me they like, on antique copper findings and chain. And then I made this necklace with the little spikes. Actually, they're big spikes and little spikes. It's really pretty when you get put it on, and they're all facing the same way, of course. Sort of. Almost got it. And then I came up, put findings, and I used these two hollow beads coming up the side, and then we have the antique copper with a lobster claw and an extender chain. Okay, next I made this necklace using the different findings. Oops, I sent it over. And the briolettes, there's the pretty briolettes shining. And then I used the itty itty bitty beads. I made it a little dainty anklet with little fringe beads. And then I made two bracelets like this, and I really like how they turned out. I like how these beads stagger. And an extender chain. Same with this one. Same thing. Okay, and then earrings. I always have to make me some earrings. Made this pair, which I really like. Here's one with the staggered beads. And then I dangled beads off from chain. And I glued leaves inside these components. And I made these very decorative earrings. They're kind of heavy. And then I made these with the two ceramic beads. And the last pair I made, look at that. I like these a lot. These are one of my favorites. And then I got excited, of course, and I made a little pair with some daggers I had bought. Some red and blue daggers I thought were awfully pretty. So that's what I made this month. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces, 1 anklet, 2 bracelets, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 pairs of earrings with the bargain bead box beads, and 1 miscellaneous that I just put together. So I'll show you what it looks like all together. That's my odd one. And I'm sure they can all mix and match. So, that's what I made this month. I was pretty happy. I used just about all my beads. It only cost me $17.95 for the subscription. And I easily made enough jewelry to make that money back, so. And such a pretty color. I love the color this month. But it seemed to drag on because I made so much. But that's okay. And I'm moving on to my next one. I'll see you next time.